Good morning, student. In the session 6, we are going to study about the pension or taxable pension. The learning objective of this session is to understand pension and rules of pension as far as taxation is concerned. Session outcome is that student will be familiar with the pension of the employees. Now, we will look into the meaning of pension as per section 17 subsection 1 clause 2nd. Pension means a periodical payment received by an employee after his retirement. On certain occasions, employer allows to withdraw a lump sum amount as the present value of a periodical pension. Pension means periodical payment received by an employee after his retirement. On certain occasions, employers or employers allow you to draw in one lump sum, right? Then the question arises how to tax such a amount. On the other hand, pension received in lump sum is known as commuted pension. When he commutes the pension, such a lump sum amount is determined by considering factors like age and health of the recipient, rate of interest, etc. Uncommuted pension is fully taxable in case of all employees, whether government or non-government employee. Case B. Commuted pension received by a government employee. Commuted pension received by a government employee is fully exempt from tax under section 10 subsection 10A clause 1. Here, government employee means or includes employee of the central government or state government or local authority as well as the employees of a statutory corporation for this purpose. Then judges of the High Court and the Supreme Court are also entitled to get exemption under this rule as per circular number 623 dated 6/1/1992. Case number 3. Commuted pension received by an employee who has received gratuity under section 10 subsection 10A clause 2nd. Here, if he is in receipt of gratuity, 1/3 of total pension which SSC is normally entitled for, commuted is exempt if he receives gratuity. 1/3 of total pension, right? He not pension received. It is of the total pension, right? Next, 1/2 of total pension or case D, commuted pension received by an employee who doesn't receive gratuity as per section 10 subsection 10A clause 2nd. 1/2 of total pension which SSC is normally entitled for, total amount SSC is entitled, not the amount actually he received, or entitled for. Commuted is exempt in any other cases. With this, we understood or got some insight about the commuted pension. Then, some points that we have to remember. Under that, first one, pension received by a widow or legal heirs of deceased employee shall not be taxable as a salary, but taxable under section 56, income from other sources. Though those SSCs who are a widow or legal heirs of deceased employee, right? In that case, though it is an income, it cannot be taxed under pension because it is not a salary for such SSCs. Therefore, it is to be taxed under the head income from other sources. Where commuted pension is taxable, relief under section 89 is available. Pension received from United Nations organization is not taxable. Further, pension received by a widow of the United Nations ex-officials, United Nations ex-officials from UN Joint Staff Pension Fund is also exempt from tax. So, with this, we are concluding this session. Thank you for hearing me.